Hello children, welcome to this session. Today we are going to see Unit Test 3 revision, Lesson 3 Municipality and Corporation. Children, now let's see the portions of Unit Test 3. Municipality and Corporation, refer classwork and textbook. Children, now let's see the blueprint of Unit Test 3 in Social Science. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. 4 marks, write only the answer, no need to write the question. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks, 3 marks. Third Roman letter, match the following, write both sides. Fourth Roman letter, write true or false, 2 marks. Fifth Roman letter, write the question under the caption, 2 marks. Sixth Roman letter, answer in brief, 2 marks. Seventh Roman letter, draw any 2 pictures about duties of municipality. Each picture having 2 marks, okay? Let's revise, fill in the blanks. First one, the oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The second one, the father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. What spelling of Lord? L-O-R-D, Lord. Ripon, R-I-P-P-O-N, Ripon. The third one, the Balwant Rai Mehta committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in when 1957. The fourth one, the tenure of municipality is dash years, 5 years. Next one, match the following. Rural local body. Answer, Grama Panchayat. Ribbon building, Lord Ripon. Neyveli, township. Chola, Kudavolai. Mayor, corporation. Children, the next heading, answer the question under the caption. Municipality and corporation. In your test, no need to write the question, write only the answer. Okay. The first one, how is the chairperson of a corporation called? Answer is mayor. M-A-Y-O-R. Mayor. The second one, what is the name of recently declared 14th corporation? Answer is Nagarkoil. N-A, Nagar, G-E-R, Nagarkoil. C-O-I-L, Nagarkoil. The next one, give an example of township. Neyveli, N-E-Y-V-E-L-I, Neyveli. Okay, children, now let's see answer in brief. First one, how was the president of municipality elected? The answer, the president of the municipality is elected by the people directly. Okay, the next one, what are the sources of income of municipality? Answer, house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax and drainage tax. Third one, what is the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? Answer is, there are 15 corporations in Tamil Nadu. The fourth one, what is municipality? Municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. Okay, the next heading, draw the pictures about duties of municipality. What are the duties of municipality? Providing drinking water, removing garbage dumps, providing street lamps and constructing roads and maintenance, isn't it? So the picture is drawing about the duties of municipality. Okay children, now let's revise the last heading. In your test, choose the correct answer and true or false question will be asked from this, so read carefully. Okay, first one, in Tamil Nadu there are 152 municipality. The next, the head of the municipality is called president. The next, the Parangimalai is an example for cantonment board. The next, Panchayat union comes under rural local bodies. The next, one of the members of the municipality is selected as vice president. The next, the Ashok Mehta committee recommended a 2-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1978. The next, the father of the corporation is called mayor. Okay children, I hope this video is very useful for your unit test 3 revision. Thank you.